Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Data Saver on X, formerly Twitter, to help reduce data usage on your phone. If you're noticing that the X app is using too much data, this quick setting adjustment will help. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and select Settings and Support. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, find and tap on Accessibility, Display and Languages. In this section, look for data usage and select it. Here, you'll see the option for Data Saver. Once you enable Data Saver, videos will no longer autoplay, and images will load in lower quality to help save data. Just toggle the switch on, and that's it. Your X app will now use less data while you browse. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.